Hi friends! Probably all of you are pretty familiar with the song Old MacDonald Had a Farm, but did you know that he also had a truck? This story is called Old MacDonald Had a Truck. It's written by Steve Goetz and it's illustrated by Etta Caban. Here we go. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had an excavator, E-I-E-I-O, with a dig here and a dig there, here a dig, there a dig, everywhere a dig. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a front loader, E-I-E-I-O, with a scoop here and a scoop there, here a scoop, there a scoop, everywhere a scoop. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a bulldozer, E-I-E-I-Mo, with a push here and a push there, here a push, there a push, everywhere a push. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a motor grader, E-I-E-I-O, with a scrape rake here and a rake scrape there, here a scrape, there a scrape, everywhere a scrape rake. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a dump truck, E-I-E-I-O, with a dump thump here and a dump thump there, here a dump, there a thump, everywhere a dump thump. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a steamroller, E-I-E-I slow, with a squish smash here and a squish smash there, here a squish, there a smash, everywhere a squish smash. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a cement mixer, E-I-E-I flow, with a spin whirl here and a spin whirl there, here a spin, there a whirl, everywhere a spin whirl. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a truck, E-I-E-I go! The end. Thanks for joining me for another bedtime or anytime story with Miss Kate. If you enjoyed yourself, please click subscribe. See you soon.